Hi guys, so I'm bored. And then, hindi nakala ko yung daddy ko sa metro. Okay. Ito siya guys. Kitchen. Kitchen. And then, sasunod. Kit niya. So, okay. Paano nito? I can't open it. Buksan natin siya. Wait lang guys. Okay guys, open na. Open niya. Start ang opening. Ganda niya. Ganda. Wait lang guys, second episode next. Dito na, ang maganda. Ganda. We have white, we have red, we have white, this is yellow, red, white, blue. And, ang lalagay ng, and, ito, squeeze mo lang. Pang roll nito. At we can make cookies with this plato. Kutsara, tinidor. Kaya guys, bye bye. See you in the next vlog.